What do you get when you give Archmaster AI some balloons? With the Banana Pro large model of AI Architect Master, you'll receive a complete architectural solution set from balloon-inspired conceptual massing studies to fully rendered architectural plans and multi-angle visualizations, all presented with clarity. Intentional concept creation, inspiration sketching, 3D model generation all are effortlessly handled. Using Archmaster AI, just 2 steps are needed to quickly generate a variety of architectural schemes, providing you with abundant creative inspiration. Here's a detailed walkthrough of how to use it. First, visit Archmaster AI to enter the homepage. Select AI Draw version 2.0, locate Intentional Concept Creation, and upload your reference image. On the right side of the interface, multiple design field options are available: architectural design, facade design, home interior design, storefront design, exhibition hall design, landscape design, gate design, stage design, and more, covering nearly every need. Aspect ratios can be selected directly 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, 16:9, meeting various layout requirements. No need to fill in prompts. Simply click Generation, wait a moment, and you'll receive conceptual schemes full of ingenious ideas. If a specific case is needed, you can add a brief prompt in the prompt field. For example, to design an exhibition building or office building, simply type exhibition building or office building. From evolving sketches to complete architectural plans, this tool clearly presents every stage. Intentional concept creation is not only fast and convenient, the layout of the conceptual schemes is also clean and aesthetically pleasing. Archmaster AI greatly simplifies the design process, making inspiration easier to obtain and solution output more efficient. It handles tedious, repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for creative refinement. Interested designers are encouraged to give it a try right away.